Hey guys, welcome back to Cappadocia. Today what we've done is we've actually got up really early in the morning to head out and watch the balloons come up. After heading out yesterday in the balloon, we saw that there were tons of people watching them on some of the cliffs, so that's what we did, and we got some amazing video and some amazing photos from there. So if you're in the area and you're not on a balloon one morning, definitely get up early and go and see that. So now what we've done is we've come back to the hotel. We've just had brekkie. The breakfast here is amazing. In fact, the entire hotel is amazing. We're staying at this place called Govan Cave Hotel. Highly recommend staying here if you come. They've gone absolutely above and beyond for us, making sure that we got to have a balloon ride when it seemed that everybody else is booked out. The included breakfast is really good. There's like cheeses and breads and meat and eggs and everything. It's one of the best breakfasts that we've had in all of our travels so far. But what we're doing today is about 35 k's away from Goromei. There is an underground city which apparently housed thousands of people, and they lived underground to escape religious persecution. So we know that you can go there on a tour, but it costs about $50 per person, and we think we can do it a bit cheaper ourselves. So we're actually going to try to go there by public transport. So we're going to finish brekkie, get ready, and then we're going to head down and catch a public bus over to the town where the underground city is, and we'll take you along and we'll show you whether it can be done cheaply on your own or whether we reckon that you should get a tour. It depends how easy it's going to be, we don't know yet. So to get to the underground city from Goromei, you need to actually catch two buses. The first one goes to Nevşehir from the centre of town, and it only costs a few lira per person. So they drop you off in the middle of town in Nevşehir, and then to catch the next bus to Kaymakli, you just basically walk across the road and the bus stop's over here. So now we're in the Kaymakli underground city. Apparently this place is about 7 stories deep. It cost us 35 lira per person to get in, and the bus ride out here was really easy. It took us about an hour from Goromei all the way through to here, so really simple. Don't need to do a tour if you don't want to. We had read that there were tour guides available at the front, but when we got here it was so busy that I think they're probably already taken or something, but there was nobody there. So we're basically going through by ourselves, and there are some small plaques that explain what each room was, but don't really give you any information. So probably worthwhile downloading some information before you come out, just in case you can't get a tour guide. This afternoon we've come out to the Goromei Open Air Museum. This area is a UNESCO Heritage listed site. It was originally one of the first Christian settlements in the area, and it dates back to the 2nd century, so it's almost 2,000 years old. Basically this region was all churches, monasteries, nunneries that were carved into the cliffside. So we're going to go have a look around here and see what it's like. So it's actually crazy busy here. It's worth getting here either really early in the day at 9 o'clock when they open, or much later in the day around 5 o'clock. Because they close at 6 o'clock at night, it only really takes about an hour to come through here. It's also worth pointing out that there's actually an app that you can download that gives you a free audio tour as you're walking around. We wish we had have known this before we came out, because it would have been a great way to learn a bit more about all the buildings. But because we don't have it, we have to rely on the boards which are around, which don't give a great deal of information. The entrance to get in here is 45 lira per person, and that includes entrance into the Kakali church further down the road. It does cost an extra 15 lira per person to go into the dark church as well. This is going to be our last video from Cappadocia. We've loved being here. It's an amazing place to come and visit if you're in Turkey. It's definitely one of the best places that we've ever been. But we've got plenty more videos coming up from Turkey, so don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and don't forget to hit that like button, and we'll catch you guys next time. Bye.